Man, I'm feeling lazy today. Let's make some lazy brisket. I'm talking, let's not even trim it. Let's just throw it on there and see what it does. I'm using a little Worcestershire sauce as a binder here with salt and pepper for my seasoning. So I got my Oklahoma Joe's Tahoma 900 set up at 250 degrees, and we're going to run it until it hits an internal temperature of 150. Then we're going to kick it up to 300, and after that, once it gets about 175, I'm going to boat wrap it. We're going to run it all the way up to about 198 internal before we pull it. Once this brisket hits 198, I'm going to wrap it up and hold it in the oven at 150 degrees till the next day. This is what you came here, folks. Look at all that juice. Doggone it, that's good. Slices up real nice, pulls apart really easy. This is a great experiment. Lazy man brisket, or lazy brisket, whatever you want to call it. It's awesome. You got to give it a try. That turned out awesome.